Welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very yummy ice cream. I will be drawing a yummy 2-scooped ice cream. In the first step, I will draw the yummy scoops. I will start by drawing an upside down C. Just like this. Curving all the way to the other side. Here we go. Now I will add the ruffle part. I will draw a letter C again, just like this. Now from this point, a letter U, another letter U, another letter U, and an inverted letter C. The first scoop is now ready. Now drawing the second scoop. From the very edge, I will draw a curved line like this. And now, again repeating the step of the ruffle. Letter C, letter U, again a letter U, and then a slanting letter C connecting to this letter U. Second scoop is now complete. Now in the second step, I will draw its yummy cone. For that, I will draw letter V. Now from this side, another slanting line meeting at the middle. Now inside this, I will draw a waffle pattern. For that, I will start drawing diagonal lines from one side, going all the way to the other, going all the way down to the other side, again, and the last line. Now I will be drawing the same diagonal lines but from the different direction. From this point, again, from one side to another, just like this. So these lines crisscross with each other. Here we go. Our yummy cone is now complete. In the third step, I will draw some yummy sprinkles all across our yummy scoops. For that, I will draw small circles like this. Now, in the second scoop, our sprinkles are now added. In the fourth step, I will draw a yummy and cute cherry on top of our scoop. In the middle and at the very top, draw a circle just like this. And then I will draw a stem with a curved line like this. Here we go. Now in the next step, I will make my drawing a bit more prominent and I will fast forward this step. Let's color our yummy ice cream. For the first scoop, I will be using light green color. For the second scoop, light pink. For the cone, light brown. And for the cherry, bright red. And I will be using some glitter markers for the sprinkles. You can color your ice cream with whatever color and flavor you like. A yummy ice cream is now ready. See you in the next video with another cute drawing. Bye-bye.